In this video, I'll show you how to set up a VPN on your PS5 using NordVPN, a reliable way to protect your connection and access more content. You can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description. First, grab your phone and download an app called Every Proxy from the Play Store or App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap the edit icon next to the HTTP proxy option. Enter the IP address shown in the app, save your changes, and switch the HTTP proxy toggle to on. Next, open your NordVPN app. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, go into Settings, and make sure the protocol is set to OpenVPN for full compatibility with proxy sharing. After that, connect to any server you like, for example, one in the US or UK. Once NordVPN is connected, turn on your phone's mobile hotspot. Now switch over to your PS5. Go to Settings, then Network, and connect your PS5 to your phone's hotspot. After it connects, press the Options button on your controller and open Advanced Settings. Inside Advanced Settings, scroll down to Proxy Server, set it to Use, and enter the same IP address you used earlier in the Every Proxy app. Press OK, and your PS5 will now be securely connected through NordVPN. And that's it! You've successfully installed and set up NordVPN on your PS5. Enjoy safer gaming, streaming, and browsing right from your console. Don't forget to check out the link provided to get NordVPN at a great price.